Hello everyone. Now we will continue our case. So in previous video, we learned about the use of this arithmetic command line to locate blocks or cells that are connected to the wellbore. Okay, and we have several criteria, for example, all well or producers only or producers, and they need to have certain oil saturation greater than a certain value, for example. And previously we stopped here, and now I will just continue this case. So I have two criteria. The first one is I want to identify the producer. So the criteria will be ORAT or oil rate greater than 0, which means producer, and S oil, which is oil saturation greater than 0.5. So what will happen? Click on apply, and yeah, this is the result. Maybe we can go back to here. I want to erase that and apply to cut. So we have more cells. But after we put more criteria, this criteria, you see some wells will be missing. Okay. So by using this and we tell tNavigator that I want cells that meet both criteria. Okay, so that's very easy. That's very handy. And yeah, in the future, if you're handling, for example, or especially a big model, you will you will appreciate the usefulness of this command. And let's say I can also do this. So WMC for identifying the well connection, and the criteria is ORAT greater than 0, but I now use this one plus. Okay, and I want to put it as well. Okay, so by using this plus, I mean I want to find all the connections for wells, for producers, regardless of their oil saturation. That's the first, the left criteria. And on the right criteria, I want to find the producers, the connection to the producers, and remember I used N, the oil saturation greater than 0.5. And what will happen? Click on apply. Okay, so I now use this one. This will be within parentheses, the right criteria. You see, there will be change in color. Okay, so what does it mean? So it means this one, the red color, it has two criteria. I mean, we tell the tNavigator this command twice, and it will result in red color. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that it will assign blocks for which both conditions of WMC from the sum are true. It is assigned to blocks for which both conditions from the sum, okay, both conditions from the sum here are true. Okay, so the first one is, of course, they meet this one, and second, they also meet this condition. That's for red color. But one, for cells that are meeting only one criteria or one condition, they will be colored green. Okay, so the color green will be assigned to blocks for which one condition from the sum is true. Only one term. Okay, either this one or that one. Okay, that will be colored green. Okay, so don't forget, use this one first and then use it twice, but make sure the second time you put that into the parentheses to make this as one condition and this as another condition. So red color meets two conditions of this summation, while the green color meets only one condition in this summation. Okay, what else? You can also use cut here. Okay, and go back to 2D and what else? We can also do this. All right, so we use first WMC or at greater than 0, and then this one WMC or at greater than the 0 and oil saturation. Now I want to put another N, and now I put it into parentheses, pressure now, greater than 120, and then I put it as well, but I want to put like this. Okay, so this condition and this condition. Okay, so apply to cut. All right. More blocks are turned into green color right now. So it means first they need to, they need to meet oil saturation greater than 0.5 and pressure greater than 120.